In this Obasanjo internet, they say some of you are still tying wrapper at home when I'm here. Come, let me show you how you can turn that your 2 yards of wrapper into a cute dress that you can wear and stay at home. Turn it into a lingerie. Let me talk. So it's just Ankara, just need 2 yards. So let's go. So this is just 2 yards. All you have to do is just to fold the 2 yards. Fold your 2 yards this way. It's very simple. Fold your 2 yards like this. We just want to make a cute little dress. It's going to be an off shoulder. Okay, so you know, before we start, we must have a line. We're starting from this line, so we are going to minus 6 because we are going to make it an off shoulder. It's going to be an off shoulder, so I'll minus 6, and then the length of this cute gown is going to be 41 inches. When you are done sewing, it's going to be 41 inches because this here is 42. This is exactly 42, so by the time you are done, you have 41. Okay, so for the length of our armhole, it's an off shoulder. We make it 8 inches. Okay, then you measure your waist length. The waist length for this client is 16.5. You don't really need it, but yeah. Then on the hip line is 24. So here on this line, you're going to put your bust circumference divided by 4. So put the bust circumference divided by 4. Put allowance of 1 inch. Can you see? Then here on the waistline, we don't want it snug. Okay, you're just going to minus half from what you have on the bust line and put on the waistline. Then come to the hip line. You're going to put the hip divided by 4 plus extra 3 inches. Okay, you just connect it from this bust, just connect it to this place like this, and then you take it all the way down like this. Can you see? So can you see, just like an A shape? Okay, it's just like an A line, just like an A shape. All right, so here I'm going to put 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches, and then connect it this way. Can you see? This 4.5 is the neck. Then here I'm going to make the neck depth to be 2 inches, so connect it this way. Yeah, you can have something to wear and sit at home instead of so at the hemline here, I'm going to come up by 2 inches, just 2 inches, and blend it back this way. Then we'll go ahead and cut this out. So the next thing is to cut. We're going to be having strap, so I'll use this blue side to make the strap. Oh, this is going to be interesting. So because we minus 6 for the strap, you're going to cut 12. You cut 12 2 times. The length of the strap is 12 inches, and then the width is 1.5 inches. And you're going to cut 2. Next, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to fold the remaining fabric into 4, just like this, so that you can use it to cut out facing to finish the neck area as well as the armhole area. The fact that we're using it to lounge at home does not mean you should not mean it. Okay, so finish it nicely. What's short dress without a pocket? So I'm just going to use the leftover to cut the pocket. Okay, I couldn't really fold it into 4 here because, you know, it's not really straight, so I have to cut in it one after the other. So this is the first one, which I'm going to be using to trace out the remaining 3. So we'll just use this as the pockets. Don't forget to notch the pocket position. The pocket is going to sit 1 inch below the waistline, so make sure you notch. pocket. Well, this area that I'm doing here, you can skip it and just go ahead and sew your strap the way you will sew it. Because what I'm doing here is that I saw in a place on one page like that you can actually use Regilene bone to turn out loop to the go side without stress. So that's what I'm trying to practice here. So it's not as if there will be bone on the strap. No, there will be no bone on the strap, please. So just look at the way I'm doing it. Then when you are done, you're just going to push the bone outside. Then you have your loop nicely turned. Yeah, I saw the hack somewhere, so I started to practice it here. It's kind of difficult to turn, but it came out and it was looking really good. In case you want to learn this hack as well, this is how I did it. Just take a look at it. It's simple. Just so wrap the strap around the bone like that, and then make sure you secure it at the top. Then you go ahead, you stitch it. You can use zipper foot for this, but I think I use the regular zipper. So when you're sewing, you make sure you don't stitch on the bone itself. Then that's it. You go ahead, you turn it to the good side. It's really simple. Just push it out. That's all. Next, you are going to take the dress, then the strap that you already prepared, you're going to place it on top of it like this. Can you see? Just place it on just one side of the dress, like so. Then you're going to pin, after which you're going to now place the facing directly on top before you now make your stitch. So note, when you're placing the strap, you want to leave ½ inch that you are going to be sewing to turn this armhole side. So just put the strap a little towards the neck point by ½ inch, then place the facing right on top, and you're going to make your stitch. And that's how you finish it. One side is done. Take out the pins, push and turn to the good side. And you see. And you see, you can also notch this neck area, which I have done. But you can notch it more so that by the time you turn it, it's going to come out sharp. See. Then next, put the other side such that it's also going to be right side to right side, and then you're going to pin. You know how we pin now, leaving ½ inch for the armhole area. Can you see? Can you see? So that by the time you turn now, you're just going to place the facing directly on top, and then just the way we stitch this other side, you're going to repeat the same step from the armhole like this, and then back to this point. The position of the pocket, all you have to do is just to open it up like this. Then you're going to fix those pockets. At each pocket position, we have 4 sides for the pocket, so you put it. See, this type of thing is good with pockets, so don't skip this step. Just be at home and maybe you just want to see somebody off, just dip your hand in your pocket, put your key. You know, it's just fun wearing at home, basically for lounging. Do you know you can also wear it? You can wear it for grocery shopping, even a quick market runs, a quick school runs, you know. You can wear it and looks decent and beautiful and chic at the same time. You have to look chic for our husband. So next, you're going to just sew the side. Last thing is just to hem the down part, and that's it. Your dress is ready. So just hem small if you don't want it to be short, but if you don't mind it being short, because the shorter the cuter anyway. You can fold as maybe like 1 inch. I'm doing like about 1/4 inch to 1 cm.